I don't know the recipe. I'm going to call my mom after this.
How was your day, Dhruva?
Nice. It was a Friday, so yeah, a good day.
You're so lucky. I just woke up.
अरे वाह super lavish. I can surely see lychees, Dhruva.
अरे यार last time cherry ली थी तो I told that sabzi wala कि get me lychees this time.
Nice, avocado तो मुझे भी है.
Avocados for you by the way.
Thanks.
And there's one more surprise for you.
So, मेथी से थेपला बना के.
मेथी ना भजिया.
Nice, बरसात पड़े भजिया ने चाय बनाई.
Exactly, मानसी बड़ा बात कर दी थी. So I'm like it's raining here since a week. So she's like एक भजिया बनाओ मेथी ना.
वाह, nice idea.
Finally decided that we are having methi na bhajia for dinner. Is it a Gujarati recipe, Kunal?
I'm not sure, but गुजरात में ज़्यादा बनते हैं.
We would like to pompously feel and think and say that it's a Gujarati recipe. So yeah, I'll run you through the process of making it. I don't know the recipe. I'm going to call my mom after this, get the correct recipe and then show in the video, in all honesty. And we'll make some onion bhaji as well.
Yeah.
And it's raining outside and the weather is so nice.
Pakoras and chai.
Pakoras and chai is the dinner tonight. And yeah, also we would like to take a moment to thank all of you
for showing so much love on our videos.
Yes, for showing so much love on our videos.
We're loving all your comments. We're loving all the reactions that you're having on our videos. So keep the love flowing. Please comment what all you like. And yes, that is it.
That is it. We'll just get on with our day. I'll quickly change into my PJs from my workwear. And Kunal, I think
I'll start working.
Yeah, he has to go for a meeting, obviously. Yeah. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Also just realized कि प्याज ही नहीं है घर में. So Kunal is ordering some things from Swiggy. Kunal,
Yes.
what else are you ordering? Order dahi also. So we are going to be making methi ke pakore. So what I've done is I have cleaned the methi, and trust me, it was filled with a lot of mitti. So I've cleaned it, I've chopped it properly, and now I just spoke to my mom on how to make it. So what we are going to need is we are going to need besan, and we are going to put 3 to 4 spoons of coarse wheat flour. I'm going to add a banana. I'm going to add green chilies, red chili powder, and what else? And dahi. So yeah, I have mashed the banana. It looks something like this, and I'm going to add that to this batter. It is a little trick by my mom. So it just adds a lot of texture and a lot of smoothness. Yeah, I'm just doing that, and also I'm going to be adding some curd to it. I'll be mentioning the recipe in the description because it's new for me and it's quite tricky. So I don't want to do any step wrong. So I'm focusing on making this rather than filming the video, but I'll be mentioning the recipe for you in the description, so do check that out. Yay! Mission accomplished.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi guys, it's Saturday today and it's about 4 p.m. Me and Dhruva have decided to play a game or two of badminton. So we are off to the badminton court right now.
Yes, and we might go for a swim after that, provided it's not raining.
Yeah, we want to, but let's see, if it's raining, we might not.
हम 1.5 घंटे से खेल गए. इट्स 5:30 कुनाल एंड बहुत मज़ा आया. मतलब सच में 1 साल बाद बैडमिंटन खेला है हमने. वी मेड न्यू फ्रेंड्स, 4 नए लोगों से मिले एंड नाउ वी आर थिंकिंग दैट एटलीस्ट एवरी वीकेंड तो ज़रूर आएंगे. और अगर सुबह टाइम मिल गया तो एवरी मॉर्निंग भी हम आधा घंटा तो आ ही सकते हैं. हाउ यू फीलिंग?
Pretty aspirational morning.
स्विमिंग चले?
Yes.
So we are back, and trust me, we haven't had so much fun in a really long time. After playing badminton, our bodies were so warm, and the water in the swimming pool was so cold, which was a perfect balance for us. And for the first time ever, there was nobody in the pool. We had the pool to ourselves, and we really had a blast. And we are very tired now. I'm going to make a salad. This particular recipe for salad is shared by my sister Mansi, so I'm going to give it a try for the first time. Let's see how it turns out.
Let me hold your hand. I wanna stay with you every night. Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand. I wanna stay with you every night. Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand. I wanna stay with you every night. Don't know why you always dream about the bad things every night. Don't know how to escape from the stars. Don't know why you always dream about the bad things every night. Don't know how to escape from the stars.
So the preparation is done, and now it's time to assemble the salad. So yeah, let's start.
Don't know why you always dream about the bad things every night. Don't know how to escape.
टेस्ट करना है. सॉरी स्टीला बोल कुछ.
अरे वाह
सब्जी ऊपर
सब्जी मंगाया
even better. No, it has
गो
avocado,
फाइन शेफ
paneer, pickles, everything.
I cannot tell a difference કે ભાઈ આ સબ્જી નથી except for the avocado કારણ કે ત્યાં નથી હોતા love it too chop